Hey guys, Raptor 16 in the back in another video. So, I noticed I'm not uploading because I don't even know what to upload and I don't know what topic it is. So, patience, people. So, I noticed that I got a prize, and because of that, I got two medals and one trophy. If you want to see it, check out the other video because it's right in my channel. So people, I got a gift and it's gonna be a review. So it's about Lego, and if you know that new movie coming out, Jurassic World: The Fallen Kingdom, I checked the trailer, the Indoraptor and Carnotaurs and stuff, and Pachycephalosaurus. It was amazing. I like the trailer when the girl, I forgot her name, rode the T-Rex on the back. So I'm gonna do a review, and it's this way, guys. Okay, so it is it's Blue's helicopter, the Blue's helicopter pursuit. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So first one, we got the main character, the dude, Owen. He looks cool. It doesn't look the same as the other Owen, obviously, because Owen's hair looks different now. Obviously, because it's part. Okay, so yeah, he has that cool I forgot the gun. Crowbar. No, not a crowbar. That's weird. But anyway, this is a bag which puts dinosaur stuff, like small dinosaurs or dinosaur's tooth. Yeah, or anything that's small. And also, there's a bullet here in this gun that I don't want to shoot. So yeah, which is this Lego piece. And yeah, it's cool. So yeah, this Owen is amazing. Okay, get to dance. Okay, so next person is kind of weird, and his name is Ken. That's a weird name for one. Ken. I forgot his name. I'll check. Ken Wetley. Okay, Ken Wetley has a weird bullet. I don't know what's green. Is it poison? I don't know. It's poison. I can shoot. I will shoot it at you. Okay. So this guy is cool. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is that Owen has two faces. One in his back and one in the front. So you can change it into different feelings. So yeah, this guy can Wetley is cool. And next person we have is the pilot, which I don't know why he's a pilot, but okay. This guy is a pilot. He drives a plane. So yeah, and he has this cool feature that you can put his glasses on to protect his eyes, which is so cool. And his body is really fancy. I'll make him like this. It looks cool. And the next one, my favorite figure, it's Blue, because obviously he's blue. So guys, tell me in the comments, what's Blue's gender? Is it a girl or boy? Because I want to know. So yeah. Yeah, and also he has this kind of weird texture to his tail. It's a different plastic, not like Lego, like the body, and also that it's kind of weird plastic. It's like bendy instead of this Lego. It's so bendy, and the arms move like all dinosaur Lego features, and obviously the legs. And the head, this is my favorite part. And I noticed that the blue figure changed, like because there's like a dark green on top of his body. So yeah, and this is cool. I want to do this. Okay, so the next thing is this weird cage, which is like really weird and has a chicken, a cooked chicken. So guys, if you're wondering what is this for, it attaches to the helicopter, but we're gonna do that later on because we're not gonna review the helicopter yet. I'm gonna do that later after the other thing that we're gonna do. It's the car, and it looks pretty cool. And it's like a jet ski, but with wheels. It's like a motorcycle, but 2 wheels. Like 4 wheels. So yeah, guys. And you can put stuff in here. You can put this. You can put Blue's leg, or you can just put his head if he's dead. Okay? So yeah, and the wheels move, obviously. And this thing moves, obviously. So yeah, guys, I like this car. It looks cool. On motorcycle. And my favorite thing in this set. It's the helicopter. It's the helicopter. So yeah, and his wheels move, obviously. And the back wheels move. And also it's like the hook that attaches to that thing, which I mentioned. This thing. You can attach, you can put Blue in here, and you can make them like transfer to another dimension or a place, which is cool. So yeah, and this thing moves. And this gun can shoot, but you have to turn it. But I don't want to do that because I'm afraid that bullets might get lost. And there's light. This is a light, I believe. This one. And my favorite feature in this helicopter. So, you guys, you're gonna be like, "Hey, Jake, hey, Raptor, how are you How are you doing this, Raptor 16? How are you doing this?" How am I doing this? There is a thing, this thing, and it attaches to here, goes here, and bam! You got yourself moving by itself helicopter, which is the best. Oh my gosh, I just broke it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, it's really cool. I can start moving it. And there's 2 chairs in each side. So guys, that is it for this review. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe because I have a lot of things to do. And it's kind of fun. So bye-bye. Oh wait. Time to do another mention. Are you doing this? Whee! Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.